Hi, my name is Al. I'm going to review this camera. It's a dash camera. It has Wi-Fi and it's 4G. The manufacturer recommend to use a memory card size U3 class 10, and this will fit up to 256 gigabytes. So they really recommended high-speed memory card because it's really nice, and it's 4K camera, so it has everything for you to do the installation. It has a little screwdriver and double side tape 3M, and the little hold the cable. It also has some clear plastic so you can attach to your glass. And this is the camera. This is actually the power and the SIM card. The memory card goes in there. And it's a really nice camera. It's 4K, so it's nice. It has little like slip in there, and you just adjust it with a little screw in there. You adjust it to your windshield, something like this. It goes to the windshield over here, and if you want to remove that something, you just can. This one stays on your windshield. You can just remove the camera. It has a button in there, and for the power cord in here, and it's 4K, and it has the charger. It's a really nice charger, so you can type C the charger, and it goes over here. You can put it either way, and that's how it goes. I'm going to show you how to install it in the car, and it's really nice. Like I say, it's 4K. I mean, it's really high quality. That's why it requires a memory card. Really, are really good to class 10. So I really recommend it. It's nice, and it comes with a manual how to download. You also can download the app for Apple and Android. And you can see also in your phone, you can record everything in there. And it comes with the instructions, and I really recommend it. I hope you like this video, and enjoy. Alright, I'm here recording the camera 4K Wi-Fi. First you remove the little tape, the double side tape, and after that you plug it in. Turn it on.
Start recording.
And you just place it somewhere where you want it and record. You can see right there is a good spot. And also you can see in the app, connect to the camera. And we're gonna drive around and recording in 4K. Remember, you have to buy that memory card, the 10 times speed, because it's a 4K camera and it requires a high speed memory card. Okay, it is really recommended by manufacturer, so hopefully you can download the app and you can see the videos right there right away. So I have here the app, it's recording right now. But it's really easy, and it's 4K is the most high quality videos that you can take. So it's really nice for you to have it, and to prevent any accident. And it will just record. It's really nice. It's really nice and convenient. And it's like your witness if you have an accident. So I really recommend it. It's nice camera, slim. You can even notice it's there. And it's recording everything. You just have to plug in and play. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Maybe configure out the date and the language, and that's it. It has a lot of languages, so you can use for any kind of language. And it's recording everything. It will be easy if you download the app, or you can just record with a simple, with a memory card, and if you have to see it, just put it in the computer or in the tablet or not on a phone, and you can see the videos. But with your phone, you can see the videos right there on the spot. So I really recommend it.